Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the mobile hotspot on your phone and copying the SSID and password so you don't type slowly on the switch. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is updated, powered on, and not in airplane mode. Updating prevents connection quirks. Once done, verify your mobile plan allows tethering and that you have decent cellular signal because weak reception causes lag. If possible, place phone and switch within a few feet to avoid intermittent drops while you complete the setup. You go to System Settings on the Switch and tap Internet, then Internet Settings to scan for networks. Your phone's hotspot should appear. Select the SSID and enter the hotspot password exactly. Typos are the most common cause of failure. Once connected, keep IP and DNS on automatic for the simplest, most reliable setup unless you have a specific DNS to use. Make sure to wait for a connection test. It confirms Nintendo servers are reachable and helps the console register NAT type for online play. You should run the Switch connection test and note NAT type and latency. This shows whether multiplayer will work well. Secure the hotspot with WPA2 or WPA3 and a strong password to prevent background devices from eating bandwidth. If the test fails, restart the phone, toggle the hotspot off and on, and reboot the switch. That sequence clears common IP conflicts. If problems persist, try switching the hotspot band between 4 GHz and 5 GHz, or briefly enable mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.